Okay, so it's a little bit rough still. I'm just still grinding down the welds. This is actually the inside of the bus, the rear of the passenger seat, the back section of that. So what I'm going to do is now I'm just going to try and replicate, a little bit of this panel edging, because I've obviously lost a bit to the rusty side of things. I've cut myself out a strip. There, and just going to tie it into that. Just going to tie it into that little bit there, following the contour down. So just get that welded in. There you go, a couple of tacks in there, just to replicate that again. Now just weld the whole thing in. Alright, so I'm just building up the welds in this section here. Obviously I'll file them flat after. The whole idea was originally for me to lead load this section all the way down. However, I've still got to weld the actual wheel arch repair onto this, so I'm not too sure. I don't think it'll even take if I had the lead or lead-free kit. I don't think it would weld to it. So that's what I'm going to do. I'll just build the welds up, like I say, and also with the seatbelt mounting panel that I got from Schofield's, I've basically had to angle this piece away. This section here isn't dead flat. It sort of goes in at a slight angle. So that's what I'm going to have to. That's what I've had to do. I've bent the panel. I don't know if you can see that. I've bent the panel slightly going in at an angle there to make it fit. Anyway, just carry on welding now. Right, so had a good day's welding, and just sort of measuring out this seatbelt mount now. It's getting a little bit tricky. I don't know if you can see that, it might be a little bit blurry. Let's just back it up. Still filming on my phone because I've smashed that camera. Now I've got to bend the new panel that I got, the seatbelt mounting panel. It's got a bend in this seat base panel there, see? So a little bit of careful measuring, and I've basically got to cut down this section here. Just give me a cut so I'm able to bend this seatbelt mount down and follow the contours again of the seat base. So yeah, bend along this line down about 1 centimetre, and then hopefully flow it into this lip here, this edge, and butt weld it all the way along, and then as I've said before in the previous video, make a repair section for this top hat to go over the whole assembly there. And then again, as I've said before, I've got a sheet of steel in 1/4 length now, so hopefully I'll be able to complete that section. But there we go. Anyway, I've got a hole. I don't know if you can see it. Let's get round now. Where are you? There we go. So a bit more grinding to do, and I shall probably fill this edge. Where are we? probably just give a little bit of a metal filler just along that edge, just to tidy everything up. But at least it's replicated maybe what was originally there. Give it a little protective coat of primer at the end as well. Oh, so there we go, a bit of bad filming, a bit of bad welding, but probably a good result at the end. Getting there, eh? Okay, so again I'm just moving on to the seatbelt mount now, and slowly hacking away at the replacement panel and just trying to replicate the bend that's in the actual seat base panel. So that's what I'm doing at the moment, just trying to line things up. I've got to cut it a little bit smaller and then I'll be able to get it in there a little bit better. That's the next step.